Okay, looking at this first one, it has a y-intercept of 5, and it has a slope of 2 over 1. So I'll go through and I'll put a dot at 5. Oops, is that 4 or 5? That's 5. And then from there I'll go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. I'll connect those points with a straight line, and I'll put arrows on each end, and that's that line graphed. Notice it has a positive slope, so it goes uphill and to the right. Letter B is in standard form. We learned very early on that standard form we use the intercepts method. So when we have the intercepts method, we have an x and a y, and we zero it out. So in other words, I put a 0 in for x, which causes it to be 6 times 0 plus 3y is 9. That means this is gone. And 3 times 3 is 9. Secondly, I put the 0 in for y. So I have 6 times something plus 3 times 0 is 9. This is gone. So I have 6 times something is 9. Divide both sides by 6. And x is 9/6, which is 1.5. So I put a point at 0 over 3 up, and I put a point at 1.5 over 0 up. I connect those points with a straight line, and I be sure to put arrows on the end. And that is the easiest way to do it. Now, what a lot of people are doing is they're trying to change this into slope-intercept form, and that's just not advisable. It's really kind of dumb. Sure, it'll work. It just takes a lot more work. So now you got 3y equals negative 6x plus 9. Divide both sides by 3, and you've got y equals negative 2x plus 3. I guess it's not dumb after all. It's not too hard to do 3 and then down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. But I really do like the intercepts method because it seems so much straightforward. And if I have something very simple that I'm doing, I'm less likely to make a mistake. If I'm graphing this equation here, it's in point slope form. Remember, point slope form said y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Therefore, x point is 5 and the y point is 2. So I will put a point at 5 over 2 up. And from that, I'll take my slope of negative 2 down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. I'll connect those with a straight line. And I've got that equation graphed. Look for the point, the 5, the 2, and the slope of negative 2, and that lets you graph that line. If you want to change it into slope-intercept form, you can do that too, but it's not very smart. Finally, on letter D, it goes through the point 2 over 2 up, and it's an undefined slope. Undefined slopes go vertically. They go straight up and down. So an undefined slope through that point is going to look like a straight line up and down. You have a lot of different ways to graph equations. You need to be aware of all of them as you're doing it.